ripping up that road.
Did you?
Yeah.
What?
So what do you think?
I think it looks freaking awesome. Way better.
Are you gonna ride it?
Yeah, I'll drive it.
Okay.
I'll race it.
Dude, that's a 450 quad right here. That's just a regular Banshee. Gotta drop somebody off for their hair appointment.
We'll get a perm.
Well, we were on our way to the salt flats and then we got distracted.
Vic decided to burn the paddles off to slicks and then take it to the sand dune. What is this, your first day on a kid's quad?
Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
I forgot the choke's still on.
With
the choke on.
Go.
We're gonna go find out at the salt flats.
No way, dude.
We decided to stop and hit Knolls real quick though.
What's your guess?
80. As fast as the guy wants to take it, I really think.
Batman?
What?
You look like Batman.
Oh yeah.
Dude, I've seen that on YouTube. That thing's freaking sick.
Thanks, dude. Well, we lost the GoPro. Luckily I could back up and find it. This stuff's way too rough.
Oh crap, you shattered the screen.
I have to hurry and get to the salt flats. What time is it?
440.
Should I do one more clip and we'll get closer?
Yep, you got 20 minutes. Let's custom.
He drove away.
All right, boys, what do you think? Head to the salt flats?
Yeah.
Let's do it. See how fast you'll go.
Behind the scenes.
Think you want to ride down?
Do a ricer flyby.
Oh, can I just say this thing digs ruts with no paddles.
Now the GoPro gets to watch me do wheelies all the way back.
Quick little pit stop here at Knolls. We were driving past it. We couldn't help ourselves. We had to do it.
Too good at it. Practice.
5 minutes of riding that thing, you'll have it down.
Yeah.
The fun part about slicks and sand. Oh, he got it. Ooh, she's close. You're good. We finally made it to the salt flats with the Comanche. Let's go see what it does. See if we can find a race out here. There's a Jeep out here ripping. We'll see if we can line up with him maybe.
You gonna put it on 2 wheels?
I don't know if we'll get enough traction out here. What do you think?
Good thing you brought the meats, because he got a lot of salt.
This is nuts. I don't know how fast I got going. It's getting a little bumpy though. Dang, the old tow rig's looking pretty good. Dude.
You could hit 80.
Top speed so far, 50.
50? Man, that is nuts. I need a helmet on.
You're 30 miles an hour too slow.
What do you guys think? Park up here?
Let's do it.
Mess around for a minute? I think it's all just this. This is kind of the nicest place though.
Yeah.
It looked pretty smooth when you were running.
Dude, it's
Right over there, it's kind of wet and muddy.
I can't even explain what that feels like. Wait till you guys try this. Dude, and it's slippery. I'm pedaling it to try to stay straight. Hey, we can finally check off the salt flats off the list though.
Dude, even the truck's spinning.
Oh, really?
Like that last one, I got on it and it was just, whoa, I was like, whoa, so I lifted a little. So with drag slicks,
Oh,
your
dude.
wheel speed's probably 80.
Feels like you're doing 100. But that's
Look
why
down,
we
it's
like-
down there though.
But I was like, I don't know how fast to really go. Like, what's a safe speed for
Did it
this?
feel sketchy that last rip?
Yeah, a little bit of blow by. It's coming out the crankcase, man.
It's fine.
So I figured.
It's a 12 hour.
The Dodge. If you ain't leaking fluid, then you need to worry.
Yeah, if you're not leaking fluid, that means it's out. This is a pretty sick shot right here, though, with the Comanche parked like that. The sun shining on the Ford.
Took maybe 1/8 of a gallon of coolant. Should probably fire her up though. Watch it just turn into a geyser. Dude, we're gonna get some sick shots.
You remember on the way out here, we're like, who the hell goes to the Bonneville Salt Flats on a Thursday afternoon? There's like 10 other people here.
I bet it goes for a couple miles.
4 or 5. It did get like a little soupy down there though. I didn't like that. I've seen like photos of people like way out there where there's like nothing. This is pretty.
Well, I
pretty
think
much
when they
nothing.
race out here, like this is like the pits, and then they race that way.
Oh.
And they go like 8-10 miles at 490 bajillion miles an hour.
Do we bring the Comanche out for the races?
See
Yeah.
if there's a class.
I think we
race
should.
it in.
We'll just bring it out for fun.
You guys got an ATV class?
Wait till you guys try it though. It's a little nerve-wracking.
Representing the O'Reilly antifreeze.
No. They didn't pay us.
Not paid sponsor.
They never paid the invoice we sent them. Remember when I said you need an aluminum trailer?
See, is it salt? You can't even pick it off the ground.
There's a sparkle over there. Tastes like salt.
That's salt.
Really?
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
They're not like we are at the salt flat.
We did make it to the right place. Yeah. That's a quality tie-down job.
That's like the Comanche coming here.
Remember I said, where's that orange tie down? Trish was like,
It's-
oh yeah, I tied down the front.
It's hooked up.
Comanche has park.
Dude, we haven't done night ride pitters in a while.
We should come out here. Could you imagine just cruising at night at like 45 miles an hour?
Just top of fourth.
For 3 hours? Might change the oil then. Dude, Tracer's out of here. He's going to another area code.
What's that way?
There's no sense of speed out here. So when you're going, it feels like you're doing 10 miles an hour, but you're really doing 50.
Well, and you can't like gauge what's up ahead. Like it looks like, oh, that's a swamp right there, and it's gonna be super bumpy.
Oh, here he comes back. Dude, he's scooting. The tires.
Sounds like he's locking the brakes up.
Oh, it might be just the rear brakes as he's like holding them. Dude, he's having too much fun.
It feels like you're going 100 miles an hour. Dude, it looked like I was going 100. It felt like it. That's nuts. I love it. Let's do it again. Give me a helmet. We could probably top it out.
Dude, Tracer's up to top it out. When you blew past us, dude, it was like, phew, and that was it. I couldn't even catch the shot.
I was going pretty quick.
You're probably doing 50.
No. Really?
At least.
I don't know. It was at least 70. Like, think about the freeways when you stand by them and it's just like, zoom, zoom.
Where's the GPS?
All right, Dillon's up. Hopefully that stays on. Yeah, it'll be fine. It's just a shattered GoPro from Keaton's race.
Are the back pegs for a passenger?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to ride?
No.
It's third gear. Dude, the thing like hits you in the chest as he's passing.
Oh yeah, you can feel it.
First pass was 68 miles an hour, and it only got faster.
Yeah, it did 60. It didn't feel like 68. We thought like 55 the first one, and then the second one you were like 80.
I'm gonna guess the second run 78 miles an hour.
I said 71.
Right on the second pass.
It goes out higher?
The last one was 83.
83? Dude.
Yeah. Oh, it gets you going. Your blood should freaking. Whoever's watching this is gonna be like 80. These guys are pussies. Freaking.
Come out and ride it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come strap yourself on.
$500, whoever hits triple digits.
500?
Tracer's like, I'm going to Windover tonight.
Yeah,
We're gonna let the Comanche cool down for a minute. We're gonna go ride the minis around.
Want to go up ahead?
Hey, I'll go to that cone. All right, we got the drag race. I don't know who's gonna win, but I hope it's the 90. The TRX 90 needs to pull through here. Oh gosh, they're gonna split me at the cone. This is way too much fun. If you live in Utah, bring your toys out, come to the Salt Flats. Me and Dillon are gonna do a roll race real quick. 110 versus 110. I can taste salt. Hey, can you taste salt? Yeah. Hey, can you taste salt?
No. Not in first place.
Oh, shut up. Try giving him some salt. I made some titties. Oh, the mic's on me.
That's alright, it's perfect.
Yeah, that's funny. Here, wait. Check this out, you guys. We're in the middle of nowhere. Flattest land you can see, covered in salt. But yeah, you guys should be able to hear me pretty good because of this DJI mic. Ooh, she started knocking. There's a little clunk, 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 clunk. Yeah. Okay, one more top speed run. Here we go.
He's gonna try and beat me. Try and do 85.
85? I'm thinking.
Or he'll tie me at 83.
Thinking 88.
I think he went about 88.
Yes. fast do you think that was?
I have no idea. Lower, I'm gonna say it's 78.
You're a wide
No way. 78, I guessed it.
Damn, there's no way.
Now she might be a little pissed off.
Yeah, she might be a little hit.
I was standing right here,
Oh,
and you were right here. So I don't think you put it in park all the way.
I got it on film, so.
that's just the Comanche. It does that normally. She is leaking a little bit, so we're gonna have to take her back and figure out what's going on there. All right, well, that's gonna end the video for today.
You guys are videoing.